To identify bank errors and discrepancies, go to the Reconcile page from the left-hand Transactions menu and selecting Reconcile. Choose the bank account you want to reconcile. Review the transactions in QuickBooks and compare them to your bank statement. Look for discrepancies such as amounts, missing transactions, or duplicates. You need to check for common discrepancies such as missing transactions. Ensure all payments, deposits, and transfers are recorded in QuickBooks. Also check for duplicate entries. Look for transactions that may have been recorded twice. Last but not the least, check for incorrect amounts. Verify that amounts for each transaction match those on your bank statement. Use filters to narrow down issues. In the For Review tab under Banking, filter transactions by date, transaction type, or category to help locate discrepancies. Once you have identified discrepancies, the next step is to resolve them. This may involve adding missing transactions, correcting amounts, or removing duplicates. While reconciling their account, Flourish Bakeries discovered that a payment for ingredients has been entered twice. To resolve this issue, they deleted the duplicate transaction, ensuring their financial records reflected the correct amount paid. Let's discuss some ways in which we can resolve bank errors and discrepancies. Correct missing transactions. If a transaction is missing in QuickBooks, click the New button and choose the appropriate transaction type, such as expense, deposit, or payment. Enter the correct details to ensure the transaction is recorded accurately. If you find duplicate entries, click on the duplicate transaction in QuickBooks and select Delete or Void to remove it. If a transaction amount in QuickBooks doesn't match your bank statement, click on the transaction and select Edit. Enter the correct amount and save the changes. Add any missing fees or interest income to QuickBooks by clicking New and selecting Expense or Deposit as needed. After making adjustments, return to the Reconcile page and confirm that your bank statement and QuickBooks records match. The difference should now be $0.00. Once discrepancies are resolved, complete the reconciliation process to ensure your financial records match your bank statement. Let's discuss another example. The accounting team at Flourish Bakeries noticed that a bank fee had been recorded with the wrong amount. After editing the transaction to reflect the correct fee, they were able to reconcile their bank account, ensuring that the books matched the bank statement exactly. Let's discuss how to reconcile after resolving discrepancies. Go back to the Reconcile page under the Accounting menu. Enter the statement ending balance and date. Review and match transactions with your bank statement by checking the boxes next to each matching entry. The difference between your bank balance and your bank statement should be $0.00. If not, review the transactions again. Once your accounts are balanced, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation process. QuickBooks provides several reports that can help you track discrepancies and ensure your accounts are balanced. The reconciliation report shows transactions that were changed after reconciliation, helping you track down discrepancies. To generate this report, go to the Reports tab and search for reconciliation. The Banking Summary report provides an overview of reconciled and unreconciled transactions, helping you track errors. The Transaction Detail by Account report offers a detailed list of transactions for each account, helping you identify discrepancies in individual transactions. Run this report from the Reports tab by searching for Transaction Detail by Account.
What was your favorite part of this tutorial? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.